We hold a lot of history, and we can even hold trauma, but we can hold history and like bad juju in your hair. And I was like, I don't want bad juju in my hair. Let's cut it out. As you know, I might stop wearing these overalls and MC Hammer pants one day and actually have some style and want hair to match it. I cut my hair off. It was time. I feel amazing, like so much lighter. I feel like I'm rocking into the new year with a new do. So let's chop my hair together. This is how much hair came out of the shower today, so not awesome. Just to give you some sense of my hair, this is how long it has gotten. This is my crazy wet brush, but anyway, I just want to give you a sense of how long my hair is now. So I just put a mask in it, which doesn't make any sense because I'm about to cut a lot of it off. But this is the length of my hair. This is what we're working with. So I don't know if you can see it in the mirror back there. This is some of the hair that I want to get rid of. So let's go cut my hairs. I just arrived at Felipe's house, and well, his salon is like a she shed in the back of his house. So I just arrived here. And if you're wondering why I look glowy, it's because I'm sweating. I'm very sweaty because I had to rush here like crazy, but I have 10 minutes to spare. So I'm going to walk around to his open air salon and get my hair cut. We are back home. I don't know if I told you this before, but it's like 20 or 30 degrees outside. It's super cold. I actually went to Trader Joe's because I got all these texts yesterday saying that we are expected to get on the high end 8 to 10 inches of snow on Monday, and on the low end I think it was 3 to 6. Even if it's 3, that's a lot of snow. So I went to Trader Joe's and I stocked up on supplies. I think we're good. However, my hair is an icicle. It is such an icicle. This is, wow, that's a really thick ponytail. But yeah, it's a hot mess. This is the length of my hair. I was planning to come home and just to have it still wet, but it's not wet anymore. So I'm going to put a little bit of this stuff in. This is Trader Joe's leave-in conditioner. That's supposed to be a heat protectant. I've never used it before, so we'll see how that goes. And then my tried and true, I either use this Tresemme Shine Serum or I use John Frieda. But yeah, girl, let's get this hair into some shape. So this is the finished result. I spent like 10 minutes. I used this, what is this? The L'Oreal Steampod, because I figured I just cut like probably a lot of dry and old hair off, so I wanted to use just steam instead of like using a traditional flat iron to dry and kind of style my hair. Look how luscious it looks. My hair is, look at that, look at that, look at those beautiful ends, are super healthy. Yeah, my hair looks darker, it looks richer from just getting a lot of dry hair cut off. Oh, I also put this stuff on. This stuff is, I think it's like almond oil, but it's hair oil from Pros. So I put that in my hair, but it is bouncing and behaving, girl. Look at that, look at that. This is the back of my hair. There might be pieces that I forgot to, that I missed, whatever. But this is my hair. I like it, I like it. Yeah, so I bet you're wondering maybe why I cut my hair, and there are so many reasons why I cut my hair. One is because I had so much like shedding and fallout, like an obscene amount of hair coming out. Like I wasn't gonna stress about it because it's happened before. I mean, we all lose hair because of age, you know, father time, and also because of stress, of medication, of being sick, of nutrition, all those things. Mine, I knew what it was because I knew when it was happening, was because of stress. I haven't discussed it yet, but I was in, or we, my family and I, we were in a hotel for over 6 months in 2024 because we had major water damage in the home. And so, yeah, in the hotel, I was like, wow, tons and tons of hair was like coming out every time I washed it. So, but it's happened before. It happened, you know, after I had my 2 babies, and it also happened in times of stress and in times of unhealth. So I know what to do. I'm on top of it, but I was just like, why not cut it? And what's interesting is that my hair is very, very thick. Like I have thick strands, individual strands of hair, and I have lots of strands. So it's very dense and it's very thick, coarse or thick, the strand. I got a lot of hair. So I wasn't super concerned because A, it grew back all the other times before, but B, I know what to do. And one of the things to do is to cut it. So that was one thing. Number 2, the second reason why I cut it is because I was wearing my hair in a bun, and not in a cute, like slick back bun, like, you know, a supermodel, more like Mrs. Garrett from Facts of Life every day. Like I literally was just like, yeah, I'm not cute. And I put it in a bun or a ponytail, and I also feel like that caused breakage because where I had the elastic band, like in my hair would break off because those elastic bands aren't awesome for your hair. So it's kind of like tension hair loss. Some people call it tension alopecia. That's a little dramatic. I don't think I had like, you know, a serious issue, but it definitely, wearing my hair in a bun or a ponytail every day of all of 2024, that's good for my hair. So I was like, let me cut it to my shoulders. But yeah, and the third reason I cut my hair off is because I've had a couple of friends, more than a couple, who have actually had really long hair, men and women who have had long hair, who have had dreadlocks, and they explained to me that we hold a lot of history, and we can even hold trauma, but we can hold history and like bad juju in your hair. And I was like, I don't want bad juju in my hair. Let's cut it out. So I feel like, you know, it's just like unburdening your spirit or your soul. I don't know what I'm saying. But the way they explained it was like when you cut your hair, you cut a lot of that history and like bad stuff, and you get a fresh new start. So there you go. Do you like it? I love it. This is, yeah, I think I'm gonna, I was thinking about going like here, chin length, or like above my chin, like this length. And Felipe, who is my awesome hairstylist, was like, girl, no, because he knows me. So we decided to go this length for now. And then my next haircut, and also when it gets a little warmer, because it's like the dead of winter right now, but if it gets a little warmer, I might go even shorter because, you know, I might stop wearing these overalls and MC Hammer pants one day and actually have some style and want hair to match it. But for now, I feel like this is just a healthy upgrade. It literally took less than 10 minutes for me to use that Steampod on my hair. So if I can just do that every time I wash my hair, which I'm trying to wash my hair less. I'm trying to wash my hair once a week. Sometimes I wash it twice a week, but once a week is like the goal. It's what my stylist told me to do because I don't have oily hair. So I don't need to wash it so often, and then it helps keep it healthier if you wash it a minimum once a week. But girl, I am loving this hair. Feels like a brand new me. Yes, so thank you for watching this video. Subscribe if you haven't already. Let me tell you, I just want to say that I have never belonged to like a community, like an online like YouTube community ever. But in 2024, one of the things that got me through was joining Natalie Stringfield's community. The Sisterhood is so strong over there. And actually this week, as a response in the comments to her videos, fellow subscribers and supporters of Natalie and Natalie herself, who's amazingly supportive, were like, girl, you need to put out some videos. And I was like, okay, well, I normally do 2 to 3 a year. So maybe I'll do like 2 a month. And two like fellow people who subscribe to Natalie like me, were like, girl, no, why don't you try like for the month of January to do like 1 a week? So that's 4. So I'm going to try to put out 4 videos, and maybe we can build a little community over here on SimplySusan. That would be super cool. Yeah, I just think it would be a fun thing to do. I come as I am. I literally, I tape on my phone. I don't have any lights. I don't have any microphone. Oh, you can see in the mirror behind me, I'm just in my bedroom. Yeah. If you want somebody who's going to come on here and be like super polished and wear makeup and look super awesome, that's not me. I'm a no makeup wearing, love to cook, love to organize, love to try to get healthy. And for 2025, you know, I'm going to continue my goals, because I was winter arcing, girl. I was winter arcing, but I'm going to continue my goals of, I want to build muscle. I want to get stronger. I want to sleep better. I want my house to be super healthy, and I want the things that go into my body to be healthy. I am all about slow aging and like striving for longevity, like living well and living long. So if you're down with that, girl, join me, okay? And I will see you, I guess, in a week, because in the month of February, apparently, I am going to put out 4 videos. I'm going to drop them on Sundays at noon. So I'll see you next Sunday at noon. I love you. Mwah! Cut your hair.